Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 15 minutes live small business owner for tax planning tips on how to pay the least amount legally possible in taxes. Today I want to talk about something that happens way more often than people realize. Your tax return can look completely fine and still quietly leave money on the table. And I know that sounds a little strange because most people think, well, my return was filed, my accountant did it, I paid what I owed, so I guess that's it. But there is the thing. Filing a tax return and doing tax planning are not the same thing. A tax return looks backward. It reports what already happened. A tax strategy looks deeper. It asks, what was this handled in the most tax efficient way? Were there deductions we missed? Were there credits that applied? Was the business structure still the best fit? Were there things we could have done different before year end? And that's where the second eyes review can be so valuable. Because most of the time when someone overpays in taxes, it's not because one huge obvious mistake happened. It's usually a mix of small things. A deduction that wasn't fully explored, a credit that wasn't considered, an entity set up that no longer fits, payroll or owner compensation that could have been planned better, retirement planning that wasn't coordinated, or just not having someone look at the return from a perspective of proactive tax saving point of view. And I want to be very clear, this is not about blaming anyone. Tax season is busy, returns get filed, deadlines are tight, but after the dust settles, this is actually the perfect time to slow down and ask, did I pay more than legally required, than I legally had to? Because once you know where you stand, you can make better decisions going forward. So here's what we are offering right now. We are doing a free second eyes review of tax returns. Without any obligations, without any pressure, we will simply take a look and tell you if everything looks good or if we see areas worth discussing. And honestly, sometimes the best news is everything looks fine. Great. Now you have peace of mind. But sometimes we find something that can help the business owner save money, plan better, or avoid repeating the same issue next year. I also created a simple tax overpayment self-assessment checklist that you can use even if you're watching this on replay. It will help you think through whether your return may deserve a second look. So if you are a business owner and you looked at your tax bill this year thinking, is this really what I owe? Don't just sit with that feeling. Book a free review with us or comment below and we will send you your next step. Because paying taxes is required. Overpaying them is not. So that's it for today. Very short to the point, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.